Hey guys, today I thought we'll take a look at this again. We don't need that, we only need the lock. It is a Chinese lock, but just for fun I bought it and I want to see what it can take and then take it apart and see what we can do about it. So let's start picking it as it is. I think that would be the best. So this video is probably going to be rather long. Alright. That's too much. Okay. Stand there. Alright. Tension wrench. And let's start out with pick guns. So if you have earphones on, you probably should take them off now. There we go. That was easy. Alright, let's take the other one. The electric. Oh, that was the tension wrench. There we go. That is just easy. Alright. Let's zip it open. I think that is where we have to put the tensioner. And one zip. Alright, let's rock it. If I can get in there. There we go. And let's see about a few different rakes. And this is the worm. That definitely worked. And the bow guitar. There we go. And favorite rake, the yes rake. There we go. Alright, the last thing is to SPP it open. And I use a short hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there we go. So it is very, very easy. Alright, let me move that out of the way, and that one. Okay, guys, the keys. And they are right here. I forgot to show you those to start with. Not the worst fitting I have seen, but not the best either. Alright, we need to take this tail piece off. Let me just move the camera a little bit there. Oops, the other way. And there we go. Let's get the pinning tray. The terrible pinning tray. I really don't like this pinning tray, but it's all I have. But it does work. That's the most important thing about it. Alright. Let's see if I can get it in there. Good. Nice. Alright. I think this will be the one. Oops, in camera. Alright. There we go. And I can already say all of these are standard. It is, after all, just a Chinese lock. It's not often to see anything else than standard pins in a Chinese lock, so I bet they all are. Alright, get this piece of a soda can out. The springs are very weak in this. They barely get over the shear line. There was one. That one also had a nice spring. It is apparently only the first two, no, number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2 and 4 have weak springs. Apparently, or I have mashed them out when I used pick guns, I don't know. But it do work. Alright, let me get this with all the pins in. That's all I apparently had to have all the pins in, especially my Ruko pins. I have a lot of those. They are very nice to put in locks. Very irritating to pick sometimes. I think spools would be the most effective in this. Alright. Let's see some different things here. That's a Ruko spool. And then I have some other spools, if I can get them out of this. A long spool in number 3 and a short in number 1. And a short in number 4. It's standard in the last one. I think it's maybe easier if I did that. I think that is much better. So let's try to put it together again. Stop rolling. Start from the back. Alright. Short spool there. If I can get it in. There we go. And the standard in number 5. If I can get it in there and get it to stay there. Get down. There we go. Alright. And a long spool in number 3. Oh, come on, get down. There we go. And the Ruko spool in number 2 from an old Ruko. There we go. Down. There we go. And a short spool in number 1. There. And get this in there. Maybe the other end. Genius. Come on, there we go. Nice. And then this one. I hope this helped it a lot, but we see in a moment when I get to pick it again. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can get this back together without messing anything up. So far it have worked. Yeah, come on. We just have to get this a little bit more out. Only the shimmy. There we go. Alright, hold it in camera. Genius. Still a genius. Nice. Alright. See if I can get this out without taking everything with me. Yay. Get those out of the way. And where is the spring? Oh, it's down here under the camera. And get in there. Okay, how does that? There we go. Right. Then this one. Ah. Come on. Alright, yeah, do this without that. Get that out of the way. That should be good. And let's see if it still works. Beautifully. The key is just a little bit harder to get in and out, but still works just fine. Alright. Just push all of this out of the way. And everything roll off. There we go. And then this one, so I don't lose all of my pins. And let's try this again now with 4 spools in. See if it's harder to pick now. Alright. And zoom. Yeah, that's just fine. And the tension wrench. Let's try all the same things again to see what worked. We could actually open it with everything before, so let's see if it's helped now. Just move this a little bit to have my hand right here. Alright. Not a single pin was set there, so that didn't work. Let's try the electric, if I can get in there. Oh, a false set at least. A nice false set. I'm almost sure that is number 3 with the long spool, but it didn't open. Alright, let's see if we can sieve it. I bet we can't, especially not without a tension wrench. Come on, get in there. Huh, I just put it in and I already have a false set. Oh. Okay, I'm sure we can't sieve this open. We can get a nice false set though. Alright, that does clearly not work. Let's try rocking it. Again, that nice false set. But that's apparently also all we can get. Alright, let's try the 3 rakes again. Start with the S rake this time. And we get the false set, I'm sure. Maybe not. Apparently not. But there doesn't happen anything. Nothing is happening. Alright, the worm rake. There was the false set. I really don't think we can get to rake this either. No. Alright. The only thing left is to SPP it. The bitting is the same, but with spools that should do a big difference. Come on. That is number 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get nothing out of this. Let me try the worm rake and rake the false set. There. And let's pick it from there. 1, 2, come on, 3, 4, 5. I get no counter rotation at all. Let's try another pick. Take it false diamond instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing. I get nothing. There we go. Number 2 and 3, 4. Oh, false set again. 5. I bet it's number 1. There we go. Alright, we can SPP it open with the right tools, guys. It is so much better just with those 4 spools in. Holy shoot, guys. That did a very big difference. So the only thing we can open it with now is SPPing. We can't rake it, we can't rock it, we can't zip it, we can use pick guns. And oh, actually I have one more thing. I forgot that. I think I already have made a bump key. Just move the camera a little bit so I can have my hands back here. And let's see if I have one. Oh man. And there we go. There it was. Alright, back the camera up again. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I know this works when it's standard pins in there, but I'm not sure it does with spools. But I get a false set at least. No, doesn't seem like I get anything. At least I get a false set. Nah, that didn't work either, but at least we tried. I really don't have any more tools I can try, so spools, yeah man. I can imagine with some undercuts or frittings and some serrated pins, this would be fantastic, but at least now it takes a lot more to pick this than it did when it was with standard pins. So guys, that's all for today. This was a long video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.